In an epical event that reverberated across the global financial landscape, Tesla, TSLA, embarked on an awe-inspiring trajectory during Monday's trading session, ascending to dizzying heights driven by a seismic announcement from its luminary CEO, Elon Musk. Musk's eagerly anticipated proclamation, delivered with characteristic panache and anticipation over the weekend, unleashed a tidal wave of excitement as he unveiled Tesla's epoch-making entry into the realm of autonomous transportation, scheduled to unfold in a grand spectacle on the hallowed date of August 8th. This watershed moment, the apotheosis of years of feverish speculation and rapt anticipation, captivated the collective consciousness of investors worldwide, igniting a euphoric crescendo of bullish fervor as they embraced Musk's audacious vision of a future where self-driving vehicles herald a new era of mobility and convenience. The unveiling of Tesla's imminent debut into the robotaxi market unfolds against a backdrop of swirling conjecture and strategic recalibration within the hallowed halls of the electric vehicle colossus. Recent murmurs hinting at a potential divergence from the eagerly awaited plans to develop a sub-$30,000 electric vehicle, tentatively christened the Model 2, have only served to intensify the intrigue and speculation surrounding Tesla's strategic trajectory. While the fate of the Model 2 remains shrouded in enigma, Musk's bold proclamation regarding the impending launch of the robotaxi has infused Tesla's stock with a potent surge of momentum, galvanizing shareholders and analysts alike with renewed zeal and anticipation. As the ephemeral dust of excitement begins to settle, Wall Street's coterie of astute analysts has sprung into action with a frenetic zeal, meticulously parsing and deciphering the multifarious implications of Musk's latest strategic gambit. Emmanuel Rossner, a venerable sage from Deutsche Bank, heralds Musk's proclamation as a potential, thesis-altering, juncture for Tesla, postulating that the company's strategic pivot towards the burgeoning robotaxi market represents a calculated gamble aimed at harnessing its formidable AI and software capabilities. In Rossner's sanguine prognostication, this audacious maneuver could serve as a transformative catalyst, unlocking a boundless vista of untapped growth and profitability for Tesla, thereby solidifying its position as an unparalleled vanguard in the dynamic domain of autonomous transportation. Yet, amidst the symphony of exuberant accolades, dissenting voices have emerged from the echelons of Wall Street, voicing palpable apprehensions about Tesla's decision to veer away from the Model 2. Widely perceived as a linchpin in Tesla's audacious growth trajectory, the potential abandonment of the Model 2 has stoked fears regarding the company's ability to attain the scale requisite for sustained profitability. Moreover, skeptics caution against Tesla's conspicuous reliance on self-driving technology, citing an array of formidable impediments ranging from regulatory hurdles to the Herculean task of amassing copious troves of data indispensable for effectively training the underlying software algorithms. In a poignant counterpoint, Tasha Keeney, an indefatigable Tesla evangelist from ARK Invest, strikes an unabashedly bullish note, exuding unwavering confidence in Tesla's unparalleled data advantage within the burgeoning realm of autonomous driving. Keeney avers that Tesla's prodigious data-gathering prowess, epitomized by the staggering accrual of 2.5 million miles of self-driving data from customers on a daily basis, positions it as the undisputed trailblazer in the relentless pursuit of full autonomy. Emboldened by this data advantage, Keeney boldly prognosticates that autonomous driving will constitute a sizable fraction of Tesla's enterprise value in the foreseeable future, underscoring the transformative potential of this epoch-making technology. As the eagerly awaited countdown to August 8th unfurls and the specter of Tesla's long-awaited robotaxi looms ever larger on the horizon, all eyes remain transfixed on the indomitable Elon Musk and his visionary company as they navigate the treacherous terrain of the automotive landscape. Against the backdrop of mounting anticipation and fervent speculation, one immutable truth becomes abundantly clear. Tesla's odyssey towards autonomy and electrification continues to captivate the collective imagination of investors and industry observers alike. In this unfolding saga, characterized by its vertiginous peaks and abyssal troughs, one certainty remains steadfast: the future of transportation has never appeared more electrifying. with Tesla poised to inscribe an indelible legacy that will resonate through the annals of history for generations to come.